friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Hina and this is my first video. I'm starting a new journey on YouTube where I will be sharing my life with you all. Please stay connected and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Love you all. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a very important member of my family, that is my baby, my Lyra. So here she is. माहिर है ये सोने में और सोती रहती है। लायरा हाय बोलो सबको, से हाय। So she is my baby and मेरे घर में सिर्फ मैं, लायरा और मेरे हस्बैंड रहते हैं। सो बस हम 3 ही मेंबर्स हैं हमारे फैमिली में और very small family. And the next thing is that I was an ex-cabin crew. तो मैं पहले इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइंस के साथ फ्लाई करती थी और उसके बाद मेरी शादी हो गई, आई गॉट मैरिड, और उसके बाद मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी बिकॉज यू नो मैनेजिंग होम एंड मैनेजिंग वर्क इज़ रियली डिफ़िकल्ट। सो मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी और आई स्टार्टेड working for a cabin crew institute where I was the grooming and aviation trainer. So basically I am from Calcutta, or I'm born and brought up in Calcutta, and I shifted to Delhi once I started working with international airlines. उसके बाद मैं दिल्ली आई और उसके बाद मेरी शादी हो गई दिल्लीite से, and now I'm settled in Delhi. It's been more than 10 years I'm settled and based in Delhi, और अभी मुझे बस दिल्ली ही अपना लगता है। I love Delhi. I'm a proper Delhiite by heart, and but still somewhere, you know, hometown, I still miss my hometown, Kolkata. So I can speak in Bengali, Hindi and English, so I am multilinguistic. So I know 3 languages, Bangla, Hindi and English. So that was fact number 2 about me. And fact number 3 about me is that I love makeup. मुझे मेकअप करना, तैयार होना, अच्छा दिखना, ग्रूम्ड रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि मैं एक्स कैबिन क्रू रह चुकी हूँ और मेरे प्रोफेशन में मेकअप बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट था। थ्रू आउट माई करियर, you know, getting up in the morning and doing the makeup, going for flight was very, very important. So that is kind of engraved in me, and I still love you know, doing makeup whenever I'm going out. Or after this lockdown, even at home, even if I'm not going out anywhere, I still love to, you know, do a little bit of grooming and get decked up and you know, look good at all the time. Another fact about me is I love clicking photos. So मैं कभी भी कहीं पे भी जाती हूँ, हमेशा सेल्फी लेना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, और मेरे हस्बैंड एब्सोल्युटली ऑपोजिट है मुझसे। ही डजंट लाइक यू नो कैमराज, और ही डजंट लाइक बीइंग क्लिक्ड एट ऑल। ही इज़ वेरी वेरी कैमरा शाय, and I love the camera. I love being in front of the camera. Clicking selfies is my favorite pastime. मेरे जितने भी फ्रेंड्स हैं जो मुझे जानते हैं वो हमेशा यही बोलते हैं, यू आर अ सेल्फी क्वीन। So because of this, the thought of being a YouTuber and vlogging my life came into my mind, because there's no other better profession than this, especially for the people who love facing camera. And another fact about me which a lot of people do not know is I'm a big foodie. मुझे वैरायटी ऑफ खाना बहुत पसंद है, especially because of this I've gained a lot of weight recently, and my husband is always teasing me that you're growing fat every day. But I know I should start working out, and I'm going to start working out soon, और मैं बहुत जल्दी बहुत सारा वेट लूज़ करके दिखाने वाली हूँ आप लोगों को भी. बट एज ऑफ नाउ मेरा वेट थोड़ा बढ़ चुका है, बिकॉज आई एम अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन, hardcore non-vegetarian, and I love eating a lot of non-vegetarian food, especially chicken, or every now and then chicken, mutton or fish. I've been eating, especially during the lockdown. I'm just eating and eating, and I just made moong dal ka halwa, and I've been just eating on, munching on, and big foodie. Especially from Calcutta, people from Calcutta, they love eating, and I'm no exception. So if you want to know more about me, please subscribe to my channel, because I'm starting my YouTube journey and this is my first video, and in future I'm going to share more exciting and more interesting videos for you guys. Please show some support, please show some love for my channel, subscribe to my channel, and like my video, and don't forget to comment, and I'll be back with more vlogs in the future, and see you in my next one. Bye.